My name's Brian North. I work at the Ipswich Day and Night Chemist. It's a very busy pharmacy and it's situated on a very busy road with a lot of dirt wafting in through the front door, and this is sucked up into the air conditioning, and it's very important that we get these air conditioners serviced once a year. I've had other companies come and do a service, and all they really do is just clean the filters. With HydroKleen Brisbane West, they actually pull the units apart. They clean out everything inside, including all the mould. Now this cuts down on the power bill because if they operate more efficiently, you can actually feel the difference straight away after a service. And it also keeps the air nice and clean so the staff aren't affected by the mould. I'm very impressed with the workmanship of the technician. There's never a mess, he's very friendly, and I certainly would recommend HydroKleen Brisbane West to anybody looking for a service.